Howdy y'all, welcome to the Tiki Texan table. Today, we're headed to the islands. Hey, Texas has islands, we always have. And now, we have our own rum. All right guys, so today we're gonna be slinging some of your new favorite cocktails for sitting poolside this summer with our friends from Hye Rum. So these folks are out of Dripping Springs and they make true artisanal rum, and we have 3 of their flavors. This is their white rum, it's kind of their base rum. You move over here to their dark rum, which has much richer, bolder flavors. And then over here, their coconut rum. When you really need a trip to the islands, muy pronto. So as always, we are partnering with GOTEXAN. GOTEXAN is the Texas Department of Agriculture's program to promote authentic Texas brands, just like Hye Rum. What is rum? Well, I'm glad you asked. So it is a spirit alcohol that is distilled from sugar. Just like whiskey comes from corn, you can get vodka from everything from potatoes to rice. And you can do all kinds of cocktails with rum. You can make mojitos, rum punch, painkillers. But today I decided to, dust off a little Daytripper mixology and make y'all 2 of my favorite, absolutely classic rum cocktails. Starting with, what is it, Daniel?
Gotta be a piña colada.
That's right, it's a piña colada. Let's go. 2 cups ice. This is an inexact science. 1.5 ounces of rum, I'm going coconut rum. It's a piña colada, all right? And then, what do you do? Oh, I spilled a little bit in there, darn, such a shame. 3 ounces of cream of coconut, Coco Lopez. I mean, look at that. All right, 3 ounces of that. That's about 1, 2.
What?
I don't know what that was, but it's probably gonna make it tasty. 3 ounces of pineapple juice. I don't do this for a living, can you tell? Ooh, yeah. Oh, my friend, that is gonna be delicious. You gotta have an umbrella, a fancy straw. Here we go. Oh, yeah. That right there takes you to the islands. In your mind, at least. I mean, you could be checking email at a computer, having a terrible day. Make yourself one of these, and drift away. All right, next up, we're gonna make a MaiTai. And we're gonna start off with 1.5 ounces of the good stuff right here. Straight into the mixer. Sip for quality control. Oh, that's good. Next up, fresh lime. About 1/2 ounce. 1/2 ounce of orange liqueur. Here's kind of the strange curveball of a MaiTai. It takes 1/2 ounce of orgeat, which is a French almond syrup. Look at us bringing all the countries together right here. Just to sort of take some of the edge off of that lime, about, maybe 1/4 ounce, just a tiny splash of simple syrup. Next comes the ice. And now, cue the music. I'm gonna Texify the MaiTai for y'all. We're gonna give it a little tahini rim. How about that? And this is just gonna help spicy it up just a little bit. You know what I'm talking about? In goes the MaiTai. On top, we get a floater of 1/2 ounce of Hye's dark rum. Maybe a little more than 1/2 ounce. Oh yeah, that looks good right there. Oh, that's good. Woo! Let the summer begin, my friends. So it is absolutely awesome to find authentic rum made right here in Texas, and it's fantastic. Look up Hye Rum. You can find out more at hyerum.com. And of course, you can find more about the GOTEXAN program at gotexan.org. Cheers, y'all. Cue the Tiki music.